who also fought the British. She received training in horse riding, sword fighting and archery in her youth. After her son's death, she adopted Shivaliнгappa and made him heir to the throne. The British East India Company did not accept this and ordered Shivaliнгappa's expulsion, but Chennamma defied the order. The British attacked with a force of 200 men and 4 guns. Rani Chennamma fought fiercely with the aid of a lieutenant, Samboli Rana, but was ultimately captured and imprisoned at Belgal Fort.
ಕಪ್ಪ ಬೇಕಾ ಕಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ